Well, here we are. This is the start of my journey. Documented for proof. My coach inspired me to market myself through video. Market my brand through video. Here we are. So I just want to say this is going to be dedicated to people who are on that journey of life, bettering themselves, on that grind, on that walk, on that run, sometimes on that fall. Because yeah, that happens to the best of us, that's for sure. It took me a long time to do this. I've been planning on doing it for a while. And, you know, the longer you wait, the more excuses you come up with. And the more reasons you seem to find why it's a bad idea. And I think that goes for everything in life. I think it's not what you're trying to do that's hard. It's starting it. It's not inherently hard to record myself. It's easy. I don't have to do anything. I just let it flow. But it sure was hard pressing the button. That's for sure. You know, when you go skydiving, it's real easy to fall through the air. You just put your arms out and let gravity do its job. The hard part is jumping out of the plane. So here I am, jumping out of the plane, pressing the button, and it sure don't seem too hard now. You know, I think one of the things that makes it so hard is that you don't know what's coming next. But then I think one of the things that makes it so great after you start is that you don't know what's coming next. Going into it, thinking about posting yourself for the world to see. Think about your peers. I live in a small town. Everybody knows everybody. I've had my reputation, that's for sure. And you think about the snide remarks they'd make, and you know, oh look at him, start laughing, and it holds you back. But if the cost of my freedom is silence, if the cost of my thoughts to be peaceful is silence and not living up to what I should be, then I decided I'm gonna live as loud as possible. And so here I am, documenting my journey. It's the beginning. Sure isn't gonna be the end. And maybe if I can inspire somebody along the way, all power to you. But just press the button.